Hello and good afternoon, everyone. Adam here, Kinion Classic Cars, Clarence, Iowa. Welcome back. I want to show you a 1969 Chevrolet Nova this afternoon. Now, this car has been completely restored, and it is absolutely beautiful. It's had a professional restoration. Has a 383 engine under the hood, putting out 500 horsepower and 500 foot-pounds of torque. Backed up, it's got a Tremec, 5-speed Tremec TKO 600 transmission, center force clutch, 373 positive traction rear end, power steering, power brakes, front disc brakes, 15x7 torque thrusts on the front, 15x8 torque thrusts on the rear. BF Goodrich, radial TA, raised white letters, all new glass, all new stainless, new bumpers. The interior's been completely redone. Tubular upper and lower control arms, front coilovers, sway bar, subframe connectors, Edelbrock intake, ported to match the heads. It's got a 750 Holley carburetor with electric choke, Wiseco pistons, LPC rods, GM forged crankshaft, GM fast burn aluminum heads, full bowl ported and matched intake, full roller motor, cam and rockers, center force clutch, I already said that. The car says it runs the best on 93 octane fuel. AM FM custom auto sound stereo, Pro Car Elite front bucket seats. Holy moly, what a gorgeous, gorgeous 1969 Chevrolet Nova. Check out the body lines on this car. The gaps, the lines, the paint, the body, this is one kick-ass car. New chrome bumpers, new stainless trim, all new lenses, new grille, all the emblems, the stainless around the windows, the side mirrors, the door handles. Everything on this car has been replaced. The paint is second to none. There is a whole file full of receipts in here when the car was built. Original owner's manual's in there. A little bit of everything in there. What's this here? The car was a California car, and here's a registration showing that it was a California car. I'd have to pull out some of these invoices and receipts and see when they completed this car. I think the car was done I think it's been done for 10 plus years maybe. Now, some of these invoices are from 10 years plus ago, but I think the guy told us this car was just done. Body and paint was just done recently on this car. This car was actually, believe it or not, the guy won this car. The car was some charity deal where this car was built for, and he won this thing in some big raffle. 2024. I want to say they done this car in 2022 or 2023. They had to do it recently though, because man, oh man, what a gorgeous car. Sail panels, package tray, 6x9s, headliner, dome light, visors, they're all in great shape. Back seat, all the seat belts. I'll dig through all that paperwork. My salesman knows more about the history and of the build on this, because he talked to the guy a bunch of times. So I just get the privilege of walking around and introducing you to this beautiful girl. There's underneath the hood, beautiful under there. Say GM Performance aluminum heads, long tube headers, beautiful valve covers, intake. See the QA1 upper control arms and the lowers. I'm going to price this car at $69,900. I know people are going to say, oh, maybe they think that's too much for this, but it's not. Go find one and make it look like this for that money. You can't. Cheap things aren't good, and good things aren't cheap, folks. Inside the trunk's very nice. You might see a little bit of water there. I just washed it, so that's just... I wiped it down like 4 times, but you'll have that. All the glass in the car is in very good shape. The mirrors, the side door handles. I think I had a couple bugs on that mirror. I'm gonna have to fire myself. I do. We got the car in on trade. Gentleman was not really hip on a manual transmission anymore. He's having some health problems, and motor works, radio works. Good sounding car. Nice little console here in the middle too. Wipers, headlights. Right headlight indicator. Man, that thing sounds nice. Just an awesome car. And you can look, this is just how nice the paint is. There's no bubbles, there's no blisters, there's no chips, scratches, scrapes in it. Anything that I see. Headlights, turn signals, marker lights, tail lights. This is a fabulous car. To put them on dims for you, I'll show you the other back tail light, turn signals, license plate light. I guess I got the flashers on it, but don't have it. What a quality piece. Let's take this baby out for a cruise quick. And yeah, if you're wondering, I gotta shut that other signal off, then I think the bolt come back on. No, that one's not on. It was just flashing the car. Anyway. Alright, let's go drive it. I've been doing a little longer videos today for... Usually I'm 7-8 minutes, and I've been going 10-12 minutes on all these videos. Sorry about that, guys and gals. Yeah, baby. Bad boy. red Nova. Runs and drives great. I say good afternoon, but it's more like good evening. See, I still got a little bit of water spraying up there, coming out a little bit. Transmission shifts really nice. The car drives great. I don't even have my hands on the wheel. There's my hands. This thing just runs, drives just awesome. Guy looks like he's out for a walk. Got a big backpack on. Must be walking a long ways. This is a really good car. Holy cow. I mean, everything works just like it's supposed to. It drives great, it rides great, it sounds great. Say $69,900, that's the price of this car. There's no way possible you're ever going to make it look like this for that money. It is splendid. I got one marker, this one bulb out up here. I have to check that out. Might need some connection. Just think, you could be driving down the road in this car this weekend with your best gal right there by your side. Kinion Classic Cars, Clarence, Iowa, 563-452-2450. KinionAuto.com, KinionAuto.com. Give us a call. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel, and thank you to our subscribers who already have. We couldn't do all this without you. Have a great night, everybody. I'm going to come right back with you with a beautiful 69 red, or 68 red Nova. This is the 69. I got a 68 coming up next. Stay tuned, folks.